This is the last exhibition of the year. It's been a very, very busy year for us here at the front.
The Book of Transmutations, it's a compendium or an anthology of contemporary mythologies.
We focus our work on the idea of artistic research. It's a lot about process of investigation on how science creates narratives on the social imaginary.
It's essentially a hidden computer that has access to over 50 different live feeds of natural scenes around the world. And this piece is really complex, I think, because you're experiencing all this nature through a screen. This is not a highly technological work, but it's still an eco-criticism work. Basically a list of shame when dealing and thinking about the actions I assume others take.
We started to work with these molecular biology techniques, and we started to work with some people that were looking for people that have disappeared because of the narco war. The installation has this ultra purified DNA from environmental activists.